Welcome to another edition of How to Fix It Yourself with Dave and Dave. Today we're working on the 2001 Pathfinder, and we're doing an irritation, something that is just irritating but isn't actually required to be fixed. And that is that the door won't stay open and hold itself. It always just flops closed. And what that has to do is with the door holder. And so we're going to replace that today. This is the new one that we just purchased. And so all the springs and all the plastic pieces in here are brand new and instead of well worn. And it's not a hard fix. The issue is you have to take off the door panel and the vapor barrier to get into be able to get at that. All the bolts are on the outside, so that's not hard. So what happens is you take the old one out this way, slide the new one in, put in 3 bolts, and you're good to go. So that's all we're going to do. If you need to see what it's like to take apart the door, look at one of our other videos on the window runners or doing the regulators, and that'll tell you how to get the door apart and get the door panel off. So that'll be a good way to go to learn that. So anyway, we're going to just go ahead here. I'm going to just take these bolts out. So we're going to get these bolts loose. And they're fairly long bolts, so you just have to be a little bit patient in terms of getting them loose and getting them out of there. And we're now that those are real loose, we're going to go ahead and get this one going as well. Get this one out of here. Now, this one is going to be a little bit tighter. You'll have to hold the door because it'll want to push against that. All right. So that takes care of that one. And hopefully now we can get these out with our fingers. And there you see. So it just comes out like that. And the brand new one just goes in the same way as that one came out. Get a good start on those. And you want to get these not real tight, but mostly tightened up so that you have a better chance of getting it lined up for the hole on the stem. And then you'll want to pull the door in just a little bit. And that's pretty well all there is to it, other than just tightening everything up. Now we can tighten this one up. And tighten these guys up. And you're done. So we've just tightened everything up. You'll notice the door feels nice and snug now, so it'll definitely hold. So that was a fairly simple fix. The only issue is getting the door panel off. I hope this has been helpful. I hope this gives you some ideas of some of the maintenance stuff you can do that will just make your car and make your ride just a little bit better. So please hit the like and the subscribe button. We'll have the parts and the tools that we've used in the description below.